around 14 miles per hour. That dry air is moving in from the north, and that's what's going to push this rain along. So looking at that rain sliding south of Interstate 85 right now, that's where the largest batch of wet weather is right now. Much different picture on our storm team radar right now than this time yesterday or even on Saturday for that matter. A couple of little stray showers to our north, but the heaviest rain right now scooting just over Lake Martin. Some flashes of lightning there that we were tracking on our lightning tracker, but most of that has now pushed down to our south. As far as these little showers, just a little boundary that's developed late this afternoon, a little heat of the day thrown in there, giving us those pop-up showers. But as I mentioned before, those lows tonight will be in the low 60s, which is very nice. And notice the rainfall over the last 24 hours. Not a whole lot. We had about 3/10 of an inch of rain from Birmingham to Alabaster, but remember, that's the last 24 hours, so some of that fell late last night, not necessarily during the daytime today on this Monday. Otherwise, trace amounts from Moundville, Clanton over towards Alexander City. Temperatures at the moment, mid-80s to our east, low 90s from Tuscaloosa to Moundville. You add in those dew points that are still a little on the soupy side. It feels more like 95 in Tuscaloosa. It feels more like 94 in Moundville. So West Alabama is where that hottest area is right now, starting to get some cooling impacts. Again, that north wind in Birmingham helping to dry things out just a little bit. So we're going to go from this uncomfortable category that we felt much of the day today to a little less uncomfortable, maybe muggy or sticky the next couple of days, but it will be trending much more comfortable. And because the dew points are lower, that also means our rain chances are going down as well. We're not going to see the pattern of wet weather that we had the last 5 or 6 days. Rather, quite the opposite. This cold front pushing to our south right now. Notice where all of that scattered rain is right now from Georgia to the Carolinas, but back behind it, winds out of the north, and that's being dominated by this ridge of high pressure that's ruling the weather. So clear skies tonight, a bit breezy at times. Temperatures by 10 o'clock, mid-70s, and then early tomorrow morning, some upper 60s and maybe some low 50s in some spots. Again, trending cooler. I must point out, stray showers are possible on Wednesday, as well as towards the end of the weekend, but that's about it as far as the rain is concerned. Otherwise, we can savor the sunshine for most days during this week. And that is a look